99% of people walk into Tractor Supply and walk out without realizing they just missed out on some incredibly valuable items. I just took a stroll around this store not to buy familiar items, but to hunt for hidden treasures, and the results were truly surprising. There are tools priced under $20, but they feel like they're worth $100. And the interesting thing is, they are not where you think. They are in the corners that most people overlook. In this video, I will show you exactly what those items are, where to find them, and why just 1 to 2 of them are enough to change the way you work every day. Let's get started. Actually, before I used to go into Tractor Supply just like most people, and quickly grab what I needed and then leave. Like this place sells farm stuff, odds and ends, that's it. I almost never think about strolling around to see if there's anything interesting. But today, I decided to do something different. Slow down, stroll through each aisle, examine each shelf closely, even the places I usually skip. And really, I was truly surprised. There are some items that if you don't stop and look closely, you'll never know they exist. And the interesting thing is those items are not in prominent places, but rather in very ordinary corners. It feels like you return to a familiar place, but this time you see a completely different version of it. If you also enjoy discovering hidden gems that others overlook, then remember to subscribe to the channel. I'll be digging deeper into places like this more often. Now I'll show you exactly where to look so you don't miss the most valuable items in this store. Okay, this first item really looks ordinary at first glance, but once you use it, you realize how undervalued it is. This is the Crescent Chisel plus Rasp set. The name sounds simple, like a wood chisel and wood file, but the interesting thing is, it doesn't just do one job. This set comes in 3 different sizes, and when you hold it, it feels quite solid, not cheap at all. The handle is rubber-coated, feels quite solid, so you can use it for a long time without it slipping or causing hand fatigue. But the noteworthy aspect isn't the grip, it's how it operates. First, you can use it like a regular chisel, combine it with a hammer strike down to quickly remove material, especially hard woods. But that's only 1/4 of its capabilities. Its side is flat, rasp-shaped, meaning you can file quickly remove material extremely fast, like when you're making a rough edge, just a few strokes, and you can see the difference immediately. Done, flip it to the curved side, used for fine-tuning, smoothing the surface, and the thing I like the most, the teeth on the side. It may seem small, but it's extremely useful. The narrow spots, difficult corners where you normally can't fit a large rasp. This one handles them perfectly. That is, with just one tool, you have chisel to break the material, flat file for quick shaping, curved file to smooth, and use the edge file for tight corners. One item that can do 4 things at a price under $20. Really, this is the kind of tool you don't think you need until you have it in your hands, and at that point you will use it for all sorts of little tasks that before you had to switch between many different tools. And this is the kind of hidden value I'm talking about. Not flashy, not expensive, but it makes your work faster, more efficient, and less troublesome. If you like these small yet powerful items, stick around. There are a few more surprises ahead that I guarantee will amaze you even more. By the way, if you find this type of content useful, you can subscribe to the channel. I will continue to dig up more dishes like this in places that few people pay attention to. Then, the next dish is really something I've been curious about for years, and today I finally understand why it is mentioned so much. Okay, I have to be honest about this. See, I've seen it on Amazon for probably 2 to 3 years now. Like, you keep scrolling and you see it ads every place. And every time I thought, this looks really strange, but probably not necessary, until I held it in my hand today. This is the Silicon, a glue gun, but in a mini version. And the first thing you'll notice right away, it's almost half the size of a traditional glue gun. Usually the ones from DeWalt or other brands, when you attach the glue tube, they become long and cumbersome, making it extremely uncomfortable to work in tight corners. But this one is significantly more compact. But the beauty lies not only in its size, its usage is extremely simple. You just need to press the small latch at the bottom, slide the glue tube in, let go, and it's fixed. Done, pull the trigger as usual. It sounds nothing special, but the genius lies in the back. At the end of it, there is an integrated blade. When you gradually use the glue tube, the excess part at the back will be cut off. That means the more you use it, the shorter the tool becomes, making it easier to operate in tight spaces. This is something that traditional guns can't do. And if you've ever had to crawl into a corner of a cupboard, a wall corner, or some uncomfortable spots to apply glue, you'll immediately understand why this is worth more than it looks. Compared to the big brands, actually, in terms of strength or durability, traditional ones are still fine. But in terms of practical use, especially in tight spaces, this one is much more convenient. This is the kind of tool that looks a bit odd, but once you use it, you won't want to go back to the old way. And it's truly a hidden gem, not flashy, no one introduces it loudly, but it solves a very specific problem that you don't realize until you encounter it. If you're the type of person who likes small but clever things like that, then stay tuned. There's another item behind that is even simpler, but many people end up getting addicted to it after buying. Oh, if you find these strange but interesting tools intriguing, you can follow the channel. I still have quite a few more like this that I haven't shared yet. Okay, here comes the item that I think is the most dangerous in this video, not because it's expensive, but because it's too cheap, and you'll want to buy more. These are mini buckets from Tractor Supply. It looks just like a toy bucket, nothing special, but its price is about $5 for 4 pieces. That is more than $1 each. Just hearing about it makes it hard to pass up. But the problem is, you don't buy just one. You will buy many. Why? Because this is the kind of tool that the more you think about it, the more ways you find to use it. For example, storing screws and bolts while working. Take it to the construction site, no need to carry the whole big box. Mix epoxy glue and paint without wasting any. Keep the miscellaneous items on the table organized. Even planting mini plants or making decor in the workshop. And the great thing is, it's small, lightweight, and has a handle. Extremely convenient to take anywhere. Compared to other solutions, you can use paper cups, plastic boxes, storage containers, but paper cup, use it once and throw it away. Plastic box, large, bulky, specialized organizers, much more expensive, but this one is in between cheap, durable, and usable for all sorts of tasks. This is the kind of product that's addictive, not because it's fancy, but because it solves a multitude of small problems in life. And you only realize that after you've bought it. I guarantee if you take a set of 4 home, a week later, you'll come back to buy more. If you like those cheap items that you can use forever without getting bored, keep watching because the next item is something almost everyone uses every day. But this version has a very noteworthy point. Oh, if you've ever bought something just for fun and ended up using it all the time, try commenting on what it is. I read all of those, and sometimes they even give me ideas for the next video. Okay, when it comes to this item, it's no longer unfamiliar, but the interesting thing is that this version is worth buying much more than you think. This is the Crescent utility knife plus tape measure combo, priced at around $6. Just hearing that many people would think, oh, these things are every place, right? But the problem is, not everything is as convenient as this. Let's talk about the knife first. What I liked right from the moment I picked it up was the slightly angled design. It may seem minor, but when you cut, especially cutting cardboard, plastic, or rope, it gives you significantly better leverage compared to traditional straight knives. Compared to Stanley knives or other common brands, this one has a few additional valuable features. Changing the blade without tools, just a light press to change it. Contains 2 to 3 blades in the body, no need to look for spare blades. Has a wire cutting groove, can handle it without removing the blade. That is these small things, but when combined, they are extremely convenient in practice. As for the tape measure, this one is simpler but still sufficient, 10 feet long, just enough for most quick jobs, has a locking mechanism, divided to 1/32 inch, quite detailed. Not as high-end as Milwaukee or DeWalt, but you don't need it to be high-end in 90% of everyday situations, and this is the key point. This is not the tool you like the most, but it is the tool you use the most. You won't take the 100-piece socket set every day, but knife plus ruler, almost every day you come across it. And when something is cheap, but you use it every day, Its actual value is much higher than those expensive items that you rarely use. This is the kind of practical value that many people overlook. If you are someone who likes simple yet extremely convenient items, then the next part will suit you because I will talk about something even more basic, but with a feature that makes it completely different from what you are currently using. Oh, if you find these everyday items useful, just follow the channel. I'll dig up more of these small but long-lasting items. Okay, for this item, I'll be honest, it's not the strongest, it's not the coolest, but it's something you'll absolutely love every time you use it. This is the Crescent Nite Eye tape, mini version priced under $5. Sounds too ordinary, right? It's just a tape measure. But the beauty of it lies in the experience when you use it, something that many people overlook. The first point, black background plus neon green text. Sounds simple, but when you pull out the tape measure, especially in imperfect lighting conditions, workshop, garage, outdoors, you'll immediately see the difference. Compared to traditional tapes like Stanley or those with a yellow background and black letters, they look fine up close, but looking from a distance or at an angle, you start to squint. What about this one? The text stands out clearly. You can read it at a glance. This is a small improvement, but once you use it, you'll see why it's worth it. Next is the hook part, the hook head. Even though it's a small version, it still has many nail hooks. Can be used on both sides, adheres quite firmly to the material. Not at the level of those high-end levels costing dozens of dollars, but at this price, it's just fine. One more thing I like is it's compact, plus can be attached to a keychain. That means you can attach it to your keys, put in your pocket, carry it with you all the time. You don't always need a 5-meter or 8-meter tape measure, but a compact 8-foot one like this, you'll use it more often than you think. And here is the important insight: a good tool is not the strongest tool, but it's the tool you want to use every day. This won't wow you immediately, but after a week you'll realize you're using it all the time. If you like small items that significantly enhance your experience, then the last item in this video is something you shouldn't miss because it's a one-time purchase, usable for almost everything. Oh, if you also have some small items that you use all the time, leave a comment. I'm quite curious to see what you all use daily. Okay, this last item is the kind that I think many people will overlook just because it looks too ordinary. But in reality, this is one of the best deals in the entire video. This is a 49-piece impact bit set from Tractor Supply, priced at about $9.50. Just hearing the number seems a bit unreasonable. 49 dishes under $10. But the interesting part is not just the quantity, but the way it is designed. First is the mini bucket style container. It looks fun, but it's extremely practical. Has a handle. Just toss it into the toolbox and you're done. Tightly sealed. No fear of dust, no fear of it falling all over the place. Compact, doesn't take up space. Compared to the sets from DeWalt or Milwaukee, those brands are definitely superior in terms of material quality and long-lasting durability, but the price is usually 3 to 5 times higher, and many times you don't even use it all, and this set hits the insight perfectly. Give me everything I need at the lowest possible price. Inside you have almost every basic type Phillips bake, flathead flat, Torx, Hex, Hin Vuong. There are both short and long versions with an extension to extend when needed. That is in 90% of situations involving screwing quick repairs DIY, you don't need to look for anything else. And what I like the most is you don't have to think about which type to buy. You just need to grab one box and that's it. This is the value stack, a lot of value packed into a small item. It's not a sexy tool, not something you show off, but it's something you'll thank yourself for buying when you need it urgently. If you are building a basic tool kit or just want to have something at home/car for when you need it, then this is a very reasonable purchase. And actually, this is also how I think about Tractor Supply after this video, not the place that sells the best tools, but it's the place where you find the best deals. If you like this kind of content where we hunt for items that few people notice but are extremely useful, just follow the channel. I will dig up more interesting places like this. Then, before wrapping up, I'll quickly summarize the must-buy items so next time you come here, you won't leave empty-handed. Stop for a moment. If you've watched this far, you'll start to notice a very clear pattern. Everything we've just seen is under $20, but each item addresses a very specific problem in reality. Not the most high-end tool, not the most expensive tool, but they are things you actually use frequently. From the multifunctional punch set, mini glue guns, small buckets, to the knife plus ruler, all of them seem ordinary at first glance, but once you use them, you won't want to be without them. And that's the beauty of Tractor Supply. If you know how to look, you'll see items that others pass by without realizing their value. But those items are still not the most valuable in the way many people think. In the next part, I will talk about how you can utilize these items to create a complete tool set, the kind where just a few items can help you handle almost every basic situation. Oh, if you find these hidden value types interesting, just follow the channel because this is just the tip of the iceberg. At this point, I think the most important thing is not each individual item anymore, but how you look back at the whole process of buying tools. Most of us, when buying something, will think, I need a bigger set, I need better stuff, I need an upgrade. But after taking a round at Tractor Supply today, I realized the opposite. You don't need more, you need the right ones. The items I just showed you are not high-tech at all, but each item solves a very specific problem. The Chisel plus Rasp helps you work faster, reducing the need to change tools. The mini glue gun handles tight spots that you used to struggle with. A few small buckets organize work more neatly. Knife plus ruler, used every day, no need to think bit set. Gather everything in one place. That means just 1 to 2 suitable items can change your workflow. And this is the most important part. Next time you go into Tractor Supply, don't go straight to the usual spot. Don't just take what you intended to buy. Take your time. Look at the islands in the middle. Check the cheap bin areas, and especially pay attention to the small things that you usually overlook, because those are the hidden values. I guarantee it, you will see things that you passed by last time without even realizing it. And when you start looking at it that way, every trip to the store is no longer just shopping, but more like a hunt. If you like this way of thinking, finding the right thing, using it the right way without spending too much money, then keep following the channel. I will dig up many more things like this, not only at Tractor Supply, but also in places you wouldn't expect. If there's one thing I want you to remember after this video, it's not which item is the most worth buying, but rather, the most valuable things are often the ones you don't notice. Tractor Supply is not the place with the best tools, nor is it the cheapest for everything. But if you know how to look, you'll find items cheaper than you think, more useful than you think, and use it more than any expensive thing. And that's the real deal. Now I'm quite curious. Have you ever bought something just for fun, but ended up using it all the time without getting bored? Or is there something at Tractor Supply that I haven't mentioned but is definitely worth buying? Comment below. I read everything, and who knows, the next video might be based on what you share. If you like content such as hunting for hidden gems, affordable tools that last a long time, and small things that change the way you work, then you can subscribe to the channel. I will also explore many places that people usually overlook. A small note, prices and promotions may vary depending on the time and each store. Some products may sell out quickly, especially the good deals. This video is based on personal experience, not mandatory shopping advice. Please consider this as a reference source for you to decide what suits your needs. Thank you for watching this far, and the next time you step into Tractor Supply, don't rush too much.